Is your bathtub damaged by cracks, chips, scratches, or stains? Renew It Refinishing can repair just about any bathtub regardless of material. Fiberglass, acrylic, porcelain, and more. Replacing a bathtub can be expensive and time-consuming. But what if you could repair your tub to make it look like new again without replacing it, saving you thousands of dollars? Since 1994, Renew It Refinishing in Portland, Oregon has offered professional bathtub repair that will transform your tired and possibly dangerous bathtub into a beautiful centerpiece. We only use high-quality, durable finishes that are guaranteed to last. Our expert bathtub repair technicians will carefully repair your bathtub, leaving it smooth, shiny, and ready to enjoy for years to come. We can match any color, and we're so confident that you'll love the results. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, you don't pay. We also offer written guarantees that no other tub repair company in Portland offers, like our property protection guarantee, personal safety guarantee, on-time guarantee, drug and alcohol-free guarantee, and a 100% zero-risk satisfaction guarantee. See our website renewitrefinish.com for more details. Don't settle for a damaged, ugly, and possibly dangerous bathtub. Call Renew It Refinishing for an amazing bathtub repair experience today. Don't take our word for it. Listen to just a few of our hundreds of satisfied clients. An expert at his craft. He provided me options that worked within my budget and time frame. He performed the work flawlessly. Minimal disruption. Would recommend to anyone. Very professional, and they stand by their work. I highly recommend Renew It for any bathtub repairs. They did a great job on repairing my brand new bathtub that was damaged during my bathroom remodel, and they guarantee their work. One of the best things about working with Renew It was the prompt and clear communication. It's so rare these days for companies to be this responsive. The technician arrived at the agreed time and thoroughly explained what he was going to do. I had a fiberglass shower with a crack. The crack in the tub was repaired and is not visible at all now. I am very happy with the work. The technician also cleaned up after himself, so I wasn't left with a mess when the job was finished. I would recommend this company. I talked with several bathtub refinishers for my project, and Renew It Refinishing was responsive, timely, and a competitive price. It looks perfect. Thank you. It is rare anymore to get really good service. Renew It gave great service. They returned our call, arrived on time, were very polite and friendly, and we highly recommend them. Our shower looks brand new. Call Renew It Refinishing today for a free written estimate and see how we can make your bathtub beautiful again in just one day.